Moment of inertia of an area. Example is an irregular section. Ang gagawin natin first is find the area. So, i-divide natin yung area into parts. Area 1 is equal to 200 by 350 equal to 70,000. Area 2 is equal to 1/2. The base is 150. The height is 150. Then times 2. So area 2 is equal to 22,500. Area 3 is equal to 500 by 150 equal to 75,000. So the total area is equal to area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 equal to 167,500. Next step is locate the centroid. Say ito yung centroid, yung distance niya from the bottom, tawagin natin YB. To solve for YB, we take moment of area about the bottom. The moment of the total area about the bottom is 167,500 times YB equal to the sum of the moment of the component areas about the bottom. For area 1, the moment of area is 70,000 times the distance of its centroid from the bottom equal to 150 plus 1/2 of 350. Plus, for area 2, the moment of area is 22,500 times the distance of its centroid from the bottom equal to 150 plus 1/3 of 150. Plus, for area 3, the moment of area is 75,000 times 1/2 of 150. So YB is equal to 196.2686567. Ngayong alam na natin yung distance ng centroid from the bottom, that is 196.26. So itong distance na to is 46.26. The next step is solve for the moment of inertia about the centroid. So kung gagawa tayo ng cutting plane passing through the centroidal axis, magiging mahirap ang computation ng moment of inertia. So ang gagawin is maghahanap tayo ng axis kung saan madaling mag-solve ng moment of inertia. Sa problem na to, madaling mag-solve ng moment of inertia sa axis na ito. Tawagin natin siyang x-axis. Then i-divide natin yung area into parts. Then the moment of inertia Ix is equal to, para sa first part, the moment of inertia of the rectangle about the x-axis, which is the base, is equal to 1/3 times the base is 200 times the height is 350, then cube. Plus, para naman sa second part, the moment of inertia of the triangle about the x-axis, which is the base, is equal to 1/12 times the base 150 times the height 150 cube. And since dalawa sila, so times 2. Then plus, para naman sa third part, the moment of inertia of the rectangle about the x-axis, which is the base, is equal to 1/3 times the base is 500 times the height is 150, then cube. So Ix is equal to 3,505,208,333. Then apply the parallel axis theorem. Ix is equal to Ix bar plus area distance square. Ix is 3,505,208,333 equal to Ix bar is unknown plus the area is 167,500 times the distance between the x bar and the x-axis is 46.26 and then square. So Ix bar is equal to 3,146,626,244.